Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize your Brandfolder for secure brand asset access, full guide step by step clearly. To begin authorizing your Brandfolder for secure brand asset access, navigate to the Brandfolder website. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Settings option on the dashboard. Click on Settings to open the Settings menu. In the Settings menu, find the User Management section. Here, you will see a list of current users in your Brandfolder. To add a new user, click on the Invite User button. Enter the email address of the individual you wish to authorize. Assign the appropriate user role based on their access needs. Once you've selected the role, click the Send Invite button. The invited user will receive an email with a link to create their account. After the user accepts the invitation and sets up their account, return to the User Management section. Find the new user in the list and click on their name to adjust permissions. Review the permissions for brand asset access. Make sure to set the access levels appropriately for secure management. If needed, customize additional settings such as asset sharing options. Once everything is configured to your liking, click the Save Changes button. Your Brandfolder is now authorized for secure asset access by the specified users. For added security, consider enabling two-factor authentication for all users. Regularly review user permissions to maintain secure access. This completes the process of authorizing your Brandfolder for secure brand asset access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.